Hello, today we're going to be looking at the LEGO Creator Set 6914, the Prehistoric Hunters. It's a 3-in-1 set. I've built the first model, the T-Rex, and you can also build these other two models. So let's look at the T-Rex. Oh, and I had 4 extra pieces after I got done building the T-Rex. So here he is. His mouth opens up. He's got these little hands, or I guess they're arms that move. He's got a tail that you can move. And his feet even move. And his legs. Whoa. Let's see. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good. Thanks for watching.